G'day folks, Sean here from Air Photography. Just a quick video for you today, and we're going to be talking about the GoPro Volta and how this could potentially be a very valuable tool if you're a person who likes to create night lapses. Now, if you're new to GoPro and you're not quite sure what a night lapse is, basically it's a time lapse filmed at night, and usually it's over a long duration, and that allows you to capture the stars and perhaps the moon moving across the sky. They have to be filmed for quite some time. It's not something you can film in an hour. Typically when I film them, I'm filming for anywhere from 6 to 8 hours, and that's where a tool like this might come in handy. Now, if you're not quite aware what the Volta is, this is something GoPro introduced about a month and a half ago. Basically, it is a power bank handle. It has a battery built into it and allows your GoPro to record over 4 hours by greatly extending the battery. As you can see there, it also has built-in controls. You can power the GoPro on and off, stop and start recording, and change your modes. It's mainly designed for the Hero 9 and 10 Black. However, it is compatible with the Hero 8 Black. And when it comes to just using it as a power bank handle, it is compatible with any type of camera. You could use your Action 2 on it, your Insta360 1RS, even the original Osmo Action, as it will continue to feed power into the camera. Now again, for those who are new to creating night lapses, why I say this is a great tool for it. Traditionally, if you're going to film a night lapse, you have to film for a great period of time. Usually I start filming around dusk, usually between 9 and 10, and I'll film right until morning. The problem with that, however, is that there's not enough power in a GoPro battery to last all night when filming a night lapse. So you have to plug it into some sort of power source. Most people use something like a power bank. The only thing you do have to be concerned of is weather and sometimes even heavy dews. Depending on the time of year, you can wake up and have your GoPro sopping wet just from a heavy dew forming on it overnight, or sometimes you may get a light rain. Now, if you go to plug your GoPro into a power bank, you do have to open up that side door, and that's where the problem is. Everything is exposed. GoPro does sell a side door that has a weatherproof opening. You can attach it, and then you can plug a power bank directly into it. Now, it's not going to be waterproof, but if you get something like dew or rain, it's not going to penetrate inside. You can now just attach this to a power bank and feed power to your camera overnight. However, the other problem you run into, the power banks tend not to be waterproof. So you could do your best to keep the camera protected, but there's nothing preventing moisture from getting inside the power bank if you get a light rain overnight. Now again, there's different things you can do. You can put the power bank in a plastic baggie. There's all different things you can do to help keep it dry. But that's where I say that this might be the ultimate tool for creating night lapses, because the Volta already comes weather resistant. You don't have to worry about it. When you do purchase the GoPro Volta, it does come with that weather resistant side door. All you have to do is now plug it in, and you're going to be able to feed power to your camera all night. Now, I've done a few tests to see how long I could record a night lapse for, because like I said, you need to be able to record anywhere from 6 to 8 hours. Now, in the tests that I do and how I would normally record a night lapse, I was able to record for almost 9 hours. So that's plenty of power in this handle to get you through the night. Of course, it does have a built-in tripod, so you can just go ahead, get all your settings set up, set it down on a table or ledge, line up your shot, and then start recording. So really, in that aspect, it's an all-in-one device. However, if you do want to mount this whole unit right on a tripod for better stability, there is a 1/4-20 at the bottom that allows you to mount it on a tripod or any other type of mount, and that might give you more flexibility when it comes to positioning. Myself, I like to film night lapses when we're out camping in the summer, so definitely I'm going to be making good use of it. Now, if you're a person who is interested in filming night lapses but aren't quite sure where to start, let me know down in the comments if you're interested, and I'll make a few tutorials on how I capture night lapses with my GoPros. Hopefully you found this video informative. Give it a thumbs up if you did. It's always greatly appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.